Hey everyone, it's Christian DeBouche, licensed real estate agent with Real Broker, and I help families buy and sell homes here in the Gulf Coast communities of Pinellas County. If that's of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM on social media at CD Selling St. Pete. We can go over some of your options. Today I want to talk about strategies for selling your home, but we're going to niche down specifically talking about the situation when you find yourself selling your home in a divorce. And even more niche down, we're going to talk about what happens if this is maybe your second time around when you had an expired listing. One of the things you should do as a homeowner when you're interviewing potential real estate agents and brokers to sell your home is to just gauge the level of, I would say, maturity and professionalism. Because one of the things that you would not believe how often comes up when I see it all the time when I go to open houses, is the realtor mentioning the fact that the house is being sold because of the fact of a divorce. And just understand this like as a realistic perspective. If you're a potential home buyer and you're looking at an open house and the agent tells you, oh, the couple's getting a divorce, are you going to offer the same amount of money you would have if that wasn't the case? If you found out that, oh, this is a beautiful home, we love a great neighborhood, great school district, lovely pool, it's on the water, great. Yeah, we'll offer blah, 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 blah. Oh, wait, they're getting divorced? Yeah, we're going to go a little bit lower than that. And anyone would. I mean, it just makes common sense because you're thinking these people need to sell. This is a distressed situation. It's not a happy situation, one, getting a divorce. Two, it's a very stressful situation for most people when they're selling a home. Combine those two together, you're giving up leverage to a potential homeowner if you disclose the fact that this home is being sold for a divorce. So the agent you interview and select should give you the confidence that they're mature, discreet, they can understand that there's a complicated situation leading to the sale of the home, and they shouldn't necessarily disclose that to anyone, not even a potential buyer. You're just shooting yourself in the foot financially. So if you're getting the sense that the people you're interviewing, because of the stress that you're going under, having to sell your home, that these people perhaps not, grade A, top notch, varsity level real estate agents, then perhaps you're dealing with the wrong people, and I might be your guy. Give me a call. We can talk about your options about this complicated transaction, especially at this complicated time. 727-303-1521. Call me anytime or shoot me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete. Talk to you later.